How to use Messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your iPhone. The Messages app is your primary hub for sending and receiving both iMessages and standard SMS texts. Tap the Compose icon at the bottom right corner as shown to create a new message. Then, select a recipient for your message. You can now type your message in the text field at the bottom. The app supports sending text, photos, videos, and other media. Tap the plus icon to the left of the text field to open the app drawer. From here, you can share photos, stickers, audio, or your location. To send a message with a special effect, long press the Send button. You can choose from bubble or screen effects. On the Bubble tab, you can choose from different effects that alter how the message bubble appears, such as slam or gentle. Tap the Screen tab at the top to access full screen effects. Swipe left to preview various animations like echo, spotlight, and balloons. Tap on the animation icon at the right as shown, and you can add different animation style to send the message. After you are done, tap the send arrow again to send your message to the desired recipient. Following these steps, you can easily use Messages on an iPhone.